Last month, a 68-year-old couple rolled up to the port with their mobility scooter, all set for the cruise they had been dreaming about. Same ship they sailed 3 years ago. In 2026, stories like this are becoming more common because cruise lines quietly adjusted rules that many experienced cruisers still assume work the old way. And the gap between what you remember and what is enforced at the pier is getting wider every season. These updates are not meant to scare you, but they can absolutely cost you money, time, or even your entire vacation if you learn about them too late. Staying with this video matters because every point ahead is designed to keep you ahead of the changes, instead of reacting to them when staff are already following a checklist that leaves no room for debate. 9. Seniors can request priority boarding. One of the biggest physical drains on a cruise for older passengers happens before the vacation even begins, standing in long boarding lines on hard terminal floors while excitement slowly turns into fatigue. What most seniors are never clearly told is that many cruise lines quietly allow guests over 65 to request boarding assistance or priority processing, but only if they speak up themselves. Crew members admit this option is rarely advertised because the system would collapse if everyone used it at once. Seniors who politely explain that standing for long periods is painful or exhausting are often moved into a shorter line, offered a seat while waiting, or escorted through check-in much faster. This is not special treatment or cutting corners. It is a reasonable accommodation designed to prevent unnecessary strain. The mistake many older travelers make is staying silent because they do not want to appear demanding, needy, or difficult. In reality, staff are trained to help the moment a need is clearly stated. A calm, respectful request at the desk can turn a 90-minute wait into 20 minutes, protect your joints, and let your vacation begin with relief instead of soreness and frustration early. And once you realize how many small accommodations already exist for seniors, the next one might surprise you even more, especially if you usually cruise alone. 8. Solo senior travelers get quiet upgrades. If you are over 65 traveling alone and booked in an inside cabin, you may actually be in a stronger upgrade position than couples who paid far more upfront. Reservation agents quietly admit that empty cabins earn nothing, while moving a loyal solo senior into a better room creates goodwill at almost no real cost. That is why older solo cruisers with history on the line are often flagged when last-minute space suddenly opens up. The opportunity rarely appears online, and it is almost never announced. The key is simply letting the cruise line know you are flexible and open. About 30 days before sailing, a short phone call that mentions your age, loyalty status, and willingness to accept a complimentary upgrade gently places you on the internal radar. This does not guarantee a balcony or a dramatic surprise, but it often leads to a better location, more breathing room, or a quieter hallway away from noise. For many seniors, that small change dramatically improves sleep and comfort. The surprising truth is that these upgrades are not rare. They are just quiet. Many seniors never experience them simply because they never thought to ask at the right moment. This is where flexibility quietly pays off, but upgrades are only one part of the picture. Because the way you book experiences on board can change what you pay without changing what you do. 7. Senior discounts often apply only on board. Booking every excursion online feels organized and responsible, but for many seniors, it quietly leads to paying more than necessary. Shore excursion managers confirm that many tours offer senior discounts ranging from 10 to 20%. Yet those lower prices usually only appear when booking in person at the onboard excursion desk. The cruise website shows one flat price for everyone, while desk staff have the ability to manually adjust rates after checking your identification. Seniors who wait and ask face-to-face often save enough over a longer sailing to cover specialty dining, gratuities, or a memorable evening ashore. This system exists because onboard teams can respond to age, availability, and timing in ways websites cannot. The smartest strategy is balance, not hesitation. If there is a bucket list tour that always sells out, book that one early for peace of mind. For flexible activities, wait until you are on board, walk up calmly, and ask about senior pricing before committing. One polite question can quietly lower your total, while younger passengers pay full fare for the same bus, the same guide, and the same unforgettable view. It rewards patience, confidence, and experience earned through years of travel wisely today. And saving money on excursions is helpful, but what matters more is avoiding problems that cost far more than any tour, especially when it comes to your health. 6. Seniors can request a free medical consult. Many cruise ships quietly offer guests over 65 one complimentary medical consultation early in the sailing, yet almost no one mentions it out loud. There is no announcement, no flyer under your door, and no reminder on the app. This short visit can make a meaningful difference by catching medication interactions, confirming which onboard remedies are safe for you, and easing worries that often follow seniors on long trips. Guests who skip it sometimes end up paying hundreds later for issues that could have been prevented with a simple conversation. The important detail most people miss is timing. The medical team will not chase you down or suggest it casually. You must request the consultation yourself, and you must do it within the first day on board while schedules are still flexible. Bringing a written medication list and clearly explaining any health concerns helps the doctor give practical, cruise-specific guidance. That 10-minute meeting often replaces guesswork with confidence. For many seniors, this quiet perk provides more comfort and reassurance than spa treatments or wellness classes, because it turns the ship into a place where you know exactly who to call and what to do if your body decides to surprise you halfway through the journey. That short visit can prevent expensive mistakes later. And speaking of avoiding major costs, there's one requirement many seniors still underestimate until it's too late. Point 5. Travel insurance can be required for seniors. For seniors over 70, especially on remote or long-distance itineraries, travel insurance is quietly shifting from a personal choice to something cruise lines increasingly expect you to have. What used to feel optional is now, on certain sailings, part of the unspoken checklist before you are allowed to check in. The reason is simple but serious. Medical evacuations from cruise ships are not routine emergencies. They can involve helicopters, medical jets, or specialized rescue vessels, and costs can easily climb past $100,000. Cruise lines learned the hard way that when something goes wrong, those bills do not disappear. To protect themselves, they are now pushing responsibility up front, particularly for older guests. Seniors who assume insurance is optional risk being flagged or even denied boarding at the pier. The smartest move is planning early. Buying insurance soon after booking often unlocks better pricing, and just as importantly, waivers for pre-existing conditions. That detail alone can make or break coverage for many older travelers. Before final payment, ask clear questions about minimum evacuation coverage and age-related requirements. This is not fear-based advice. It is practical financial protection that reflects how cruise policies are evolving behind the scenes. If this video is helping you see cruising differently, consider subscribing to the channel. I focus on the quiet rules, hidden perks, and real-world changes that matter most to senior cruisers. The things you usually only learn after something goes wrong. Subscribing just makes sure you hear about them before your next trip, not after. 4 health forms now control boarding approval. Ignoring cruise emails has quietly become one of the easiest ways to miss a ship, and it catches experienced seniors completely off guard. Health declarations sent days before sailing are no longer simple reminders or fine print. They are now directly tied to your reservation status and boarding approval. Seniors who delay completing them are automatically flagged in the system and often sent to secondary screening at the terminal. While others walk on board, they sit waiting, answering questions and watching the clock. Some never make it onto the ship at all. Cruise lines change this process because they want potential health issues identified before passengers arrive, not discovered while hundreds of people are already lined up to board. From their perspective, prevention is smoother than crisis management. From your perspective, it means one overlooked email can undo months of planning. The solution is simple but requires intention. About 3 days before sailing, set a reminder to check all cruise-related messages carefully, even ones that look routine or automated. Open anything mentioning health, clearance, or documentation, and complete it immediately. Save a copy on your phone for peace of mind. That 5-minute task at home can spare you hours of anxiety, uncomfortable questioning, and the very real risk of watching your vacation sail away without you. This is where many experienced cruisers get caught off guard, and it connects directly to the next issue. Because sometimes the problem isn't paperwork at all, it's the cabin itself. 3. Calling loyalty unlocks hidden discounts. Senior cruisers who simply click, pay, and move on often have no idea how much money they are quietly leaving behind. Cruise websites are designed to show one clean price, but loyalty departments see a much deeper system. Agents there can apply age-based and loyalty-based discounts for drink packages and onboard extras that never appear online, no matter how carefully you look. These offers usually live inside a short pre-cruise window, often a month or two before sailing, and they only surface when you ask directly. That is why calling the loyalty number, not the general reservations line, makes such a difference. Loyalty agents are trained to work with repeat guests, and they have access to tools others simply do not. Even more surprising, the answer you get can depend on who picks up the phone. If one agent says nothing is available, calling back another day can lead to a very different outcome. This system quietly rewards persistence, clarity, and experience. A calm, respectful call that takes 10 minutes can shave hundreds of dollars off your onboard spending without changing your cabin, your itinerary, or your plans at all. For seniors who have earned their loyalty, this is one of the easiest wins cruising still offers. And once you see how much flexibility exists behind the scenes, it becomes clear why preparation matters, especially when it comes to equipment and cabin setup. 2. Cabin door width can deny boarding. Mobility devices that worked perfectly on past cruises can now end a vacation before it ever begins, and that reality has caught many experienced seniors completely off guard. Cruise lines are strictly enforcing cabin door width rules after evacuation testing revealed a serious problem. Oversized scooters and wheelchairs, blocking narrow hallways and slowing exits during emergencies. What once felt like a flexible guideline is now treated as a firm safety rule. Standard cabin doors on many ships are surprisingly narrow, while accessible cabins offer significantly more clearance and turning space. If your scooter, wheelchair, or walker cannot physically fit through the door assigned to your cabin, staff have the authority to deny boarding on the spot, often without a refund. That moment is devastating, especially for travelers who have cruised for years without issue. The good news is that this problem is entirely preventable with preparation. Measuring your device at home, including armrests and attachments, then confirming door widths directly with the cruise line removes the guesswork. If there is a mismatch, upgrading to an accessible cabin or renting approved equipment solves it before stress enters the picture. This rule feels new because enforcement is new, but it is now firmly in place. Preparation turns a potential heartbreak into a smooth, confident boarding experience. That rule alone has ended vacations at the pier, but there's a deeper pattern behind all of this, and understanding it changes how you cruise forever. 1. Silence is the biggest mistake senior cruisers make. The biggest change in cruising is not a single rule, policy, or form, but the growing expectation that seniors must speak up for themselves. Priority boarding, quiet discounts, surprise upgrades, medical perks, and simple accommodations often exist just beneath the surface, yet they only activate when you ask. Cruise lines build their systems for flexibility, not loud announcements, and that puts quiet, polite seniors at a disadvantage if they assume everything will be offered automatically. Those who speak clearly and respectfully are usually met with help, understanding, and solutions. Those who stay silent often endure long lines, higher costs, and unnecessary stress without realizing another option was available. Many older travelers were raised to avoid making a fuss, but modern cruising quietly rewards calm self-advocacy. Asking is not complaining, and requesting support is not entitlement. It is using systems that were designed with you in mind. Cruising smarter today means knowing which doors exist, recognizing when to knock, and understanding that your experience matters just as much as anyone else's. Your age is not a disadvantage at sea. It is often an advantage you have earned through years of travel and life experience. The moment you stop suffering in silence, cruising becomes easier, calmer, and far more enjoyable. You do not need to cruise in fear to cruise smarter, and knowing these changes lets you protect your time, health, and money before problems start. Click any of these videos on your screen and I'll see you in a moment.